We're a housing association based in the northwest in Leigh. We manage around 13,000 properties and we have a turnover of around 55 million. The problem that we had, or the main issue, was the system as a whole, in that it was completely manual. There was no use of IT within it. And you can imagine, if that is all paper-based and you have no way of tracking what is where, and that's going to cause a lot of problems. And that was absolutely the situation that we found ourselves in before we implemented the Invu and ABBYY invoice processing solution.
We recommended that they actually capture their invoices electronically using ABBYY FlexiCapture and then traffic those invoices through the Invu document management and workflow system in order to get those invoices authorized in an auditable fashion.
Firstly, our control over the whole process is fundamentally better, and it means that at any one time we know what our commitment is, we know what invoices we're liable to pay, and more importantly, we know when we're going to have to pay them.
I looked across the market to decide what to use for capture solutions for Invu, and ABBYY was a very easy choice. Not only is it the finest OCR engine out there that guarantees you data quality, it also offers the best and simplest customization for the price that's out there on the market. The important thing about delivering solutions is that the partner relationships have to be effective, and Invu find it very, very easy to work with ABBYY for several reasons. Number one is they will always listen to us throughout the sales cycle in terms of helping us make sure that the solution is at the right price and the right fit for the customer. After we've made the sale and we're actually delivering the solution, we have no problems in getting support, and we're always kept up to date with the latest developments, and that helps us look professional back to our customers.
So what we do is we ask a lot of our suppliers to send us PDFs, and that means we can just import them directly into the ABBYY software without any scanning needing to take place. So one of the great things about the Invu and ABBYY solution is that it's very easy to use. So it doesn't take much training to get your staff up to speed to use it. And for one of our purchase ledger operatives who's processing invoices, it quite simply is the click of a few buttons to process a batch of, say, 40, 50 invoices. And as a result of working through this implementation and getting it installed and getting the system up and running, we've now significantly reduced our operating costs in that part of the business. And don't forget that bringing in a document management system such as this does represent a huge cultural shift, and they not only help with the sort of process side of things, but they helped us manage the cultural change as well, which was massive for us.